I'm Santina with WTI. If you're in need of an easy-to-use at-home blood pressure cuff, this one by Generation Guard is a great option. So I love that it's easy to use and you don't have to be a healthcare professional to get a good blood pressure reading with this cuff. All you have to do is put it on your wrist and press the on-off button, and it will give you your blood pressure and your pulse. I also find that it's pretty comfortable because it only sits on your wrist. You don't have to feel that really tight squeeze on your arm. And of course, it's small and compact, so it easily fits in this nice little carry case, storage case that it comes in, and it closes really easily. You can put it in a desk drawer, put it wherever you need to store it. It won't be big and bulky in your home. It's been a great BP cuff for us, and that's my point of view.